Well, a question involving trash pickup and documents with personal information on them has now been settled in a Sarasota County neighborhood. At issue was whether the documents being thrown out could lead to a case of identity theft. SNN Local News 6 reporter Charles Brown is live in the newsroom with more on that. Charles.
Well, Lauren, the battle against identity theft took a big step forward in Sarasota County. At issue were more than a dozen boxes of documents, possibly containing personal information. And we're live with Tanya Herling says she was out and about over the weekend when she came upon boxes full of legal files that were filled with the kind of personal information that she believes could lead to identity theft.
Bank account numbers, social security numbers, driver's licenses, even pictures.
The boxes had apparently been put out for the area's regular garbage collection by an attorney who lives next door.
I think it's recklessness. If I found out, how would you feel if you found out your attorney threw away your file, not shredded it, but put it in the street for public knowledge and information?
The attorney declined an on-camera interview, but he was curious as to why his neighbor would be inspecting his garbage. Derek Bird, a criminal defense lawyer in Sarasota, says that strangely enough, the Florida bar has no hard and fast rule when a file must be destroyed, although there are advisory opinions.
The Florida bar doesn't have a rule that says the attorneys must keep a file for 5 years or 7 years or 10 years.
Bird says if a file is kept alive for a specific number of years, an attorney can have the file destroyed, but not without the permission of the client.
If a lawyer is going to destroy a client's file, that the lawyer first contact the client. And that would be done normally in a way of a letter to the client saying, hey, I've had your file for 7 or 8 years, I'm going to destroy the file. If you have an objection to that, you can come pick your file up.
Herling says she put the boxes in her garage. She says she's now trying to contact individuals whose information is in those boxes to let them know about the situation. And about 15 boxes of potentially revealing information were taken away to be shredded at the county landfill. Lauren?
All right, Charles Brown reporting for us. Thanks, Charles.